Hi everyone. Here are the 3 ways to boot your Windows PC into the BIOS settings. The first and the original method is to use your PC manufacturer's designated hotkey on the keyboard. For my Asus laptop, it's the F2 key. To use the hotkey, turn on your PC. And then once the manufacturer's logo appears, immediately press and hold the BIOS hotkey until the BIOS appears on your screen. Alright, the second method is booting your PC into BIOS from the Windows Recovery Environment or Windows RE. This method is only applicable if your PC BIOS is UEFI BIOS and you are running Windows 8 or later. So right-click the Start menu button and then click Settings. If you are on Windows 10, click Update and Security. Then Recovery. And then under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. If you're on Windows 11, click System. Then Recovery. And then under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your PC will restart and boot into Windows RE. On the Windows RE, click Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart, and your PC will boot into UEFI BIOS. Alright, now the last method is using a command line. This is also only applicable for UEFI BIOS and Windows 8 or later. So open the command prompt as an administrator. Type shutdown/R/FW/T0 and then press Enter. Your PC will restart and boot into BIOS settings. Alright, so those are the 3 ways to boot into your PC's BIOS. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.